The cup is part of your trimmer's mobile assembly. It rubs against the ground, preventing the trimmer line from digging into the ground. Over time, the cup will wear out from rubbing against the ground and will need to be replaced. Replacing the cup is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the mobile assembly from the trimmer. I'll remove the metal flange from the inside of the cup, and now we'll remove the bearing. The bearing's held in place with a retaining ring. I'll use a socket to tap the bearing out of the cup. Now I can install the new cup. I'll place the bearing inside the recess on the cup, and I'll use a larger socket to install it. This socket is just slightly smaller than the outer race on the bearing. And again, I'll tap it in place. Now I'll reinstall the retaining ring. And I'll place the flange back into the bearing. Now this assembly is ready to go back onto the trimmer. I'll place the mobile assembly over the shaft and secure it with the washer and bolt. And that's how easy it is to replace the cup on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.